Welcome to the lesson on the advanced tiering algorithm. As we discussed in the last lesson, when a user searches a keyword, it tiers the results by whether the keyword is in the title and the body text. What you'll find though is when you're out searching on Craigslist, this doesn't always hold true. There's what I call a mystery tier that forms above tier 1. It has posts that also have keywords in the title and the body text, but for some reason all those posts rise above tier 1 and form a mystery tier. It doesn't exist on every single keyword, but it exists on some of them. For example, here we're searching by moving service, and if you notice here, we have a top tier, so August 10th, August 10th, August 9th, and then right after that it goes right to August 11th, and then so forth. So you'd think that starting at August 11th, everything below doesn't have the words moving service and moving service in the body text. But actually, first we'll go by moving. So they all have moving. And then service, these all have service as well. And then when we click on something, let's try this one here. So you can see go by moving, moving service, and moving service is right here. So as you can see, we have the title has moving service, the body text is moving service, but this is in a second tier. So these three posts up here are in a mystery tier. So if we click these, you can see there's moving service up here and moving service there. So what I'm now going to show you is how to get into the mystery tiers. So there are two tricks to getting into that top mystery tier. First is to post in the skilled services section and add your keyword to the license area. And second is to add your keyword in the specific location section of the ad. So here we have a keyword search on carpet cleaning. That top tier in the red rectangle is actually a mystery tier. Tier 1, which includes the keyword in the title and body text, starts on August 10th, right below the red rectangle. What the ads in the red rectangle have that the ads below don't is that the keyword carpet cleaning is in the license area. When I add the keyword carpet cleaning to the license area, my post rises to the top of the mystery tier. Now I'm only competing against 11 posts on this keyword. Everyone else who's putting carpet cleaning in the title and body text, but not in the license area, are down in tier 1 and in tier 2. My post can never drop lower than the end of the mystery tier. Notice the bottom of the mystery tier. There's an ad still there from 6 days ago. And a small note here, after a long period of time, your ad does slip out of the highest tier, but it's irrelevant because you'll renew your ad before that happens anyway. Just for your reference, here's the ad I created that rose to the top of the mystery tier. Notice on the right, there's a license info button with carpet cleaning in it. Now, I just wanted to show you guys where that license area is. So if we're in the ad creation area, so we click services offered, right? Then we want to go to skilled trade services right here. Pick an area. Then after you pick an area, here's what you normally see, right? What we're normally used to, the title, specific location, postal code, and body. But then down here we have a new area now where you can click unlicensed or licensed. So you click licensed and then you type in your keyword. So you can put, wedding photography. You could put carpet cleaners. Basically just figure out what keywords are going to be the most important in finding you. And like I showed you in that previous lesson, using the Google AdWords tool is really powerful because then you'll know what keywords people are using. You can just list them all on a piece of paper and make sure that all of your ads are targeting every single one of those keywords because you're going to be in that top tier now that you understand the search algorithm. Okay, so in this example, we're searching the keyword math tutor. This list actually has a basic tiering structure, so there is no mystery tier for math tutor in this area. So what we can do is we can actually create one using the location trick that I'm now going to show you. So I put math tutor in the location. You can see that in the green rectangle there. And my ad actually rose all the way to the top. And now what I want to show you is if you focus now on the red rectangle there, I'm going to show you that we've actually pinned our ad to the top and created our own mystery tier. As you can see here, other ads were posted and my ad is stuck to the top. I'm competing against nobody. As long as I keep renewing my ad will always be in the first position. The location trick is great because you can post in a more appropriate category. Notice above the green rectangle, we're in the lessons and tutoring section. People who log on to Craigslist might click on the lessons and tutoring section first and then search for a math tutor. The skilled services license trick that I taught you previously only works if they go to general services section and then search from the general services section for a math tutor. That being said, that does happen very often. I think most people search from the general search. Now let's try to do the impossible. Let's try to create our own tier above an already existing mystery tier. So a super mystery tier. Here in this example, we have the word house cleaning being searched. And if you look at the top in the red rectangle, August 9th to August 8th, and then it cuts off and it goes to August 10th downward. So this top area is actually a mystery tier. It doesn't have the keyword house cleaning in the location section, nor does it have house cleaning in the license section. So there's sort of this, after the two tricks I've taught you, there's sort of this nebulous area where the mystery tiers are based on the content of the text itself. We're going to be going into that in the next lecture. But just so you know here, this is definitely a mystery tier. Everything below it has the title and the body text keyworded. So here I used a combination of both strategies. I put house cleaning in the location and I put house cleaning in the license section, and my ad rose all the way to the top. Here I posted 3 more ads to illustrate my point. Notice that the ads with the keywords in the license and location section create the topmost tier. But if you only put the keyword in the license, not in the location section, it creates a second tier right below it. So doing both tricks at the same time actually creates a super mystery tier. If you figure out what keywords people are using to look you up, you'll definitely be at the top of the search and you'll get a lot more clicks on your ads. I had to do a lot of experimenting and analyze hundreds and hundreds of ads before I got to these 2 insights. There's still more research to be done, and there are more insights into the search algorithm I'm testing currently. I'll be updating this course if I find anything. As a student of this course, you'll have access to any updates I make, of course. And hopefully, there's still some areas that I'm still looking into, so hopefully we'll find more on this. But these 2 strategies will be really effective, I think, for you.